Who doesn't like spray paint? It's quick, it's easy, it dries really fast. You can paint almost anything with spray paint. And it's particularly useful for spray painting small fasteners and hooks and pieces of hardware that'd be difficult to paint any other way. But to make that job even simpler, try this trick. Get a piece of cardboard and just put the fasteners right in it. Just poke it through, twist them in, so that space them enough that the paint will get evenly coated on all the parts, then hold it in front of a cardboard box just to catch the overspray. And then simply spray them. You see how quick and easy this is. There you go. I'm just gonna let that dry. That'll only take a few minutes. Now, spray paint's also great for hardware items. Hinges and latches and braces and brackets. But the way you want to paint these is with a bent piece of wire. This was just cut from a clothes hanger. You want to, again, hold it up in front of the box to catch the overspray and spray it. And if you cut the wire long enough, your hand is clear out of the paint, so you don't have to worry about getting paint on you. Then to dry it, just hang it from a chain overhead.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Tite Bond, the Pro's Advantage.